Thank you for joining Henderson Rowe for our semi-regular podcast about the firm, financial markets, and other matters of interest to our friends and clients. Please be aware that the following is regarded as financial promotion related to investing. Investing is a risky activity and it can result in you losing money. So before making any investment, be sure you understand the risks. Stay tuned at the end of this podcast for specific details regarding those risks.
Welcome everyone to our Henderson Rowe podcast. Today we're going to be discussing our Tier 1 Investor Visa programme. Now I'll be asking the questions. My name's Kevin Reid, one of the investment managers here at Henderson Rowe, and I've been with the company since 2017. And today I'm joined by my colleague John Whick. He heads up the Investor Visa programme here at Henderson Rowe. John, do you want to just introduce yourself quickly?
Yeah, hi, good morning Kevin, it's good to be here and certainly looking forward to talking about the Tier 1 side of the business and indeed in the context of recent rule changes.
Okay, great. Just a couple of questions for you today, John, so I'll get stuck straight in. Firstly, what made you enter the Tier 1 scene in the first place?
Well, back in 2010, I had the good fortune to be told about some of the recent changes to the immigration system, which made the investor visa route more attractive for individuals looking to settle in the UK. Given that we had always been UK direct-to-market equity specialists, it made a huge amount of sense to explore this as an avenue for business. So once I'd done the homework of what it entailed, I was convinced that with our expertise we could bring a strong offering to the table, and so we established the Henderson Rowe Tier 1 business.
Okay, and how's the investment environment changed in this time frame?
Well, the investment environment constantly changes. However, in relation to the Tier 1, the interesting thing is the consistency of poor returns available from UK gilts over the last 10-year period. As a result, we've always given all of our Tier 1 clients a full suite of options, including stocks and corporate bonds, so that securing their immigration status does not mean guaranteeing a loss on their investments. This stands us in good stead in the new world, where gilts are no longer permissible, given that we have years of experience in building equity and corporate bond-focused portfolios.
Okay, and have you noticed any changes in the type of clients entering into this space?
Well, I really enjoy working with the Tier 1 clients as you meet a diverse array of individuals from around the world. The major regions of the world are always represented in the people looking to enter the UK on a Tier 1 visa. However, often you can identify patterns around the edges of this which vary according to political unrest in particular countries or regions. The unifying thing is that wherever people are from, it's the attraction of things like good schooling, rule of law, and the ability to live in peace that are consistent, and I think we should, as UK citizens, be grateful for.
That's great. Thanks so much for your time, John.
No problem, Kevin. It's a pleasure.
The proceeding is regarded as financial promotion under Section 21 of the Financial Services and Markets Act 2000. Henderson Rowe is a registered trading name of Henderson Rowe Limited, which is authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority under firm reference number 401809. Investing with Henderson Rowe or any other firm involves risk. It's important to ensure you fully understand those risks before making any investment. You should know that regardless of the nature of your specific investment, its value may go up as well as down, and you may not get back the amount you originally invested. Past performance of particular investments or managers is not an indicator of future performance. Before making any investment with the firm, be sure to ask questions to fully understand what you're getting yourself into. Until next time, thanks for joining us at Henderson Rowe.